GEMINI, the first and only 4-inch linear downlight to install just like a cross-T in a suspended ceiling. The GEMINI revolutionizes the installation process to achieve low-glare linear lighting on center with the grid by replacing the actual cross members. Typical linear downlights require a custom grid opening to be constructed in order to support the fixture, while GEMINI has integrated cross-Ts to create this on-center opening without additional grid components. This simplifies installation and allows for a more cohesive ceiling aesthetic. Utilizing standard grid ceiling components, the GEMINI installs into the ceiling location typically occupied by a 2-foot, 4-foot, or 5-foot cross-T. Available in 15/16 or 9/16 grid systems, the main runners can run perpendicular or parallel to the GEMINI. Available with 2 distinct lens options: a double lens with central spine that matches the surrounding grid width, giving the look of a continuous ceiling plane, or a single lens option for a more traditional slot fixture aesthetic. The outer cross-Ts integrated into the fixture of the GEMINI allow for all common ceiling accessories to be seamlessly installed together. And by utilizing JLC-Tech's unique engineering technology of developing building-integrated lighting fixtures, the GEMINI presents an unparalleled solution to illuminating a room while also conserving plenum space.